Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a VW Touareg battery. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm wrench and a battery terminal cleaner. Safety is paramount, so make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. Always wear protective gloves and eye protection to prevent any potential injuries while working with the battery. Now let's find the battery. In most Touareg models, it's conveniently located under the driver's seat. To access it, simply slide the driver's seat all the way forward, which will expose the battery compartment cover. Use a 10mm socket wrench to carefully remove the two retaining bolts. Remember to disconnect the negative terminal first, followed by the positive terminal, to avoid any electrical issues. With the terminals disconnected, carefully lift the old battery out of its compartment. Be aware that car batteries are quite heavy, often weighing around 40 to 50 pounds. Before installing the new battery, take a moment to thoroughly clean the battery tray and the terminal connections. Then, place the new battery securely into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Finally, connect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal. Once the new battery is installed, secure the compartment cover and slide the driver's seat back to its original position. Now, it's time for the moment of truth. Start your Touareg to confirm that the new battery is functioning correctly. Keep an eye out for any dashboard warning lights or unusual electrical system malfunctions. You might also need to reset certain vehicle electronics, like your radio presets or window settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.